Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about this cargo van, where if you have similar one, Nissan Nv200 or the similar ones. To take the bumper off, you're gonna have to loosen screw right here, clip right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 clips here, another screw right here, and then you go back and then loosen another screw right in here, right on top right here, and then another screw right there, bolt this one, and then a few more clips right there. Same thing on the other side. Screw right here on top, and then one on the bottom, and then this is the clips, and that should come off. So what I end up taking off is one screw here, fill up, or you can use 10mm. 1, 2, 3, 4 clips here, another 10mm or a fill up, and then a fill up screw right in here underneath that goes up, loosen, and then another 10mm right here, and then one clip here, then 2 clips right here, 1, 2, and then you go on this side, same thing on this side. This one, fill up here, 10mm on the bottom, and that should be it. And let's see if it, and it has to just come off. Make sure you don't break it. So what I noticed is just slowly pulling it. When you pull it, this sits inside here. Just be careful so you don't break it, but pull it slowly and it will come off. And the bumper's off now. And this just sits, it comes off easy. But yeah, and that's how you take it off, pretty much, the bumper. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one.